Hello, my name is Rajan Arora and welcome to my course Essentials of SQL Server Performance for Every Developer. You are watching the video of Module 2 Analyzing SQL Statements for Performance Part 8 Module Summary. If you are new to this course, please start it from the course introduction video for better understanding. Thank you. In this video, let's summarize what we have discussed in this module about analyzing SQL statements for performance. When you have a statement you need to analyze, the first step you are going to take is to get execution plan of that statement. Getting the execution plan doesn't actually run the statement, but just tell us how SQL Server will process the statement so we can analyze the plan for any performance bottlenecks. Once you get the plan, you want to read the plan from right to left, and when you encounter a join operation, you have to read from top to bottom. So you analyze the operation at the top of the join first and then the operation on the bottom. The statement in each individual operation is going to have a cost value assigned to it. And cost is simply a single value that combines together both the amount of CPU and IO required by the statement or the operation. With any statement, we want to focus our attention on the operation that have relatively high cost. Because a high cost means that those operations are consuming lot of resources and consequently that will take longer time to complete. At a statement level, we can use the cost value to compare the relative expense of executing different statements within our application. And again, we want to focus our attention on the high cost statement our application runs. SQL Server can also give us detailed execution statistics about each statement we run if we use the set statistics command in Management Studio. What you want to pay special attention is the number of logical reads, as each logical read represents an 8 KB page of data. A high number of logical reads often represents an inefficient operation that is having to read a lot of data to find the piece of data that is really needed. Once we understand what operations are causing the statement to be slow, we can start to tune the statement to improve its performance. We looked at one case where the solution was to add an index, as this allowed SQL Server to use the tree structure of the index to find the data it needed, rather than scanning the entire table. We also look at the example where we change our SQL statement, and this is another solution you may want to consider. Sometimes changing a subquery to a join or maybe using the exist keyword helps SQL Server find a more efficient execution plan. You can also do a general evaluation of your statement and see if there is an opportunity to include more selective where clause, or possibly change your statement to where it's asking the question you want answer in a slight different way. What getting an execution plan allows you to do to see the individual steps that have to be executed to run your statement and to find which statements are most costly. Then you can focus on this operation to see what you can do to make these operations more efficient. One of the most important tools we have is to create a good index on our table that the statement in our application will use. So we will dive into the topic of how to create effective indexes in the next module. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.